Just after midnight, on March 8, 2014, Malaysian Airlines flight MH370 left Kuala Lumpur for Beijing. On board were 227 passengers and 12 crew, carried by a Boeing 777 into a dark, ordinary sky. At 1:19 a.m., the final radio call came through. "Good night, Malaysian 370. Minutes later, the aircraft vanished from civilian radar. But its trail continued. Malaysian military radar later showed a target believed to be MH370 turning back across the Malay Peninsula, then heading west over the Strait of Malacca. After that, radar lost it. Investigators turned to satellite data. Faint electronic handshakes suggested the aircraft flew for hours far from its planned route toward the southern Indian Ocean. Searches began in the South China Sea, then shifted west. By late March, authorities concluded the flight had ended in the Indian Ocean, and the mission became recovery. Every lead was examined: passengers, crew, stolen passports, cargo, radar records, maintenance logs. No official report has confirmed a cause. In 2015, confirmed MH370 debris washed ashore on Reunion Island. Other pieces appeared along western Indian Ocean coastlines. Search vessels scanned vast seabed, but the main wreckage remains missing. New deep-sea efforts have followed. For the families, this is not history. It is a clock still running, waiting for an answer beneath dark water.